If you want to blow up your fried rice game, you are in the right lane. Welcome to Julie Kitchens. Here I do tutorial on how to make different dishes. I'll be sharing how I made this fried rice. Without wasting much time, let's just dive into it. I started by preparing chicken. I added chicken seasoning Maggi cube, which I have crushed already. After that, I go in with my blended garlic. After the garlic, then I go in with curry powder. After curry, then I added salt. After that, then thyme follows it. I added thyme and I covered the pot and cooked for good 30 minutes. This chicken is actually very hard. That is why I made it 30 minutes. Then I covered and cooked for a minute, coming back now to add water into it. I didn't add water immediately. I allowed the ingredients to run very well before I added water after 1 minute. So after adding water, I covered the pot and I started cooking. 30 minutes, the chicken is done and I proceed to fry the chicken. I have to fry. As I'm frying, I am turning the chicken. This chicken is actually very hard. If you are using soft one, you will cook not up to 30 minutes. But for this, I made it 30 minutes. So I fried and this is the result. If you have a fryer, you can use a fryer depending on your choice. After frying the chicken, I washed rice several times. Washing it severally is just to remove dirty, not only dirty, but also to remove much starch that is into it. So after washing them, I filtered out the water and make sure that my rice is actually so clean and neat. As I filter the water, then I proceed to cook the rice. So this is my chicken stock. I have to add the rice inside the chicken stock. If your chicken stock is not enough, you can add more water, but if it is enough, then you proceed with the chicken stock. So after adding the rice, and I added curry powder again to give it that fried rice color, you understand. Then I added turmeric powder. This time many people even cook without adding curry, only turmeric powder. So it depends on your choice. If you want to go natural, you can just avoid curry and use turmeric. You can use even fresh turmeric and extract the water, or you use turmeric powder, it will still come out nice. So after that, I added salt to it. Then as I added salt, I have to cover it and let it cook. As I've covered it, as I'm waiting for it to cook, I proceed to prepare my ingredients. This is my carrots, green peel, green bay pepper, then sweet corn. I use this little sweet corn. Then the next is spring onion and green beans. What is fried rice without vegetable? Then I cut the carrots, cut the spring onion, and this is the green peel, green bell pepper. I cut it smaller pieces and I open the sweet corn. Then after that, I also prepare my green beans, cut them into small pieces. So after that, I proceed to prepare my beef. I used cow beef. So I have to add water into the beef so I can steam it. As I added enough water, I added Maggi seasoning cube and then I added little curry. then added salt to make everything go well. Then I have to turn it little and cook it for good 35 minutes. This is because it is very hard. After that, then I have to proceed to fry the beef. I started frying. As I am frying it, I am turning it. And after that, I am done frying. And at this point, the beef is ready. You can decide to cut yours into smaller pieces. Then I went in to check the rice. I have to open the pot, and the rice is ready at this point. So look at the color. Is it not making sense? So after that, I proceed to fry the veggie. I have to add the vegetable oil that is needed, and I go in with carrots. I added carrots. As I added carrots, I have to add green beans immediately. Carrots and green beans is the first vegetable you should add while making fried rice. This is because among all the vegetables, this one is the one that takes longer to be done. It is more hard. So if you add other vegetables before this, you may not like the outcome. So better add carrots and green beans first before other vegetables. So after this, I allowed it for a minute. Then after 1 minute, I come back and I added sweet corn. After adding sweet corn, the next is I go in with my green peel. As I go in with the green peel, I have to turn everything together, and this just took only 20 seconds, and I started adding other ingredients which is necessary. Then I have to add Maggi seasoning cube, which I've crushed, and then I added salt. This is only if the need be. If the salt is enough in the rice, don't need to add more. Then I go in with my grounded pepper. So, and I don't turn everything together. As I turn it together, I allowed it for just extra 30 seconds more, and it is time to add other remaining ingredients. I have to add bell pepper, green bell pepper. Turn it again. After that, 5 seconds, that one is due, and I have to go in with the fried rice. By this time, the fried rice is already cool because we don't need to add it hot. It's better when it is cool. So at this point, it's cool. I added it, then I added spring onion. Spring onion doesn't take time to be done, that's why it has to come last. Then I added the beef inside it. It is called fried rice for a reason. At this point, I have to fry for some seconds. This will make it not only to look good, taste nice, but also to make it to last longer. Frying this way will make it not to go bad easily. Why fried rice go bad so easily is because of too many vegetable. But if you fried it this way, it will not easily go bad. And this is very important. While washing your rice, you have to wash it with cold water. Sorry, I am saying it towards the end of the video, but I can't miss to say it. Washing your rice with cold water will make it not to start cooking even while at the bowl. So just to make your rice to look neat and clean at the end of everything, and for you to come out with a very nice result. Fried rice is something sweet, and once you follow the procedure, you'll come out with a good result. You will like what you see. So at this point, it is ready to dish out. So please, if you enjoyed what you just watched, please like, share to those your friends, and leave me a comment. Thank you so much. I really appreciate.